Okay, so this is how I activate Shopify payments without USSSN or USLLC. I activate Shopify payments in unsupported countries using this way. So this is a live record. I want you to watch from the beginning to the end so you have a full understanding of exactly what is going on and how you can do it. At the end of this video, I'm going to explain how you can get the documents, how you can do it, and how to not get banned. What you're looking at is the information that I'm editing on this store that was already entered as someone who couldn't activate Shopify payments on this store. So now I'm putting my name and I put my surname, then I just tick all these below sections and put my personal details actually. And I'm sorry about the noise in the background. There was some kind of renovation going on when I recorded this video. So I want you to stay with me so you can see exactly what's happening. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share a secret with you so you will be able to do exactly this without having to face any issues. So this is my proof of address, my UK proof of address, which is going to allow me to get access to Shopify payments, because if you do not have that, you won't be able to access Shopify payments. So now we need to put our store address. Let's go to WhatsApp and we can grab our password from there. This is someone else's store that we are trying to activate here. This guy is from India. He just found my videos here on YouTube. So now we are set to go and we can click on next. Then here we just click on next because we already entered this information, and again next, next again. So we already put this information, my company details and the address of this company and the store details. Now it's time to upload the documents. So we can upload our proof of incorporation. As you can see, we go and grab the PDF document that we have already saved in our computer. Then we put it on here. Okay, we click done. Then we go to the next part, which is uploading our proof of address. So I want you to look close, very close, the option that I'm going to select. I select yeah, proof of address, and as you can see, I select government issued letter, government issued letter, which is my sort of proof of address in UK. I obtained from UK government, which I can use to activate Shopify payments for everyone or for my stores. So as you can see, we are done here. We go to the next part, which is uploading my ID. So in that case, I put my passport. Then we can submit. So after that is done, we click on done. Then we click on submit, and Shopify will start verifying our documents. It will run a few checks, and in a matter of seconds, we will have Shopify payments set up. Now it says pending resolution, which means they are verifying the documents that we already supplied to them. We can refresh, and you can see, as you can see, we refreshed, and we see the status. We will change from resolution to setting up payment. You can see setting up payments, setting up payouts. Then if we refresh again, we should be able to see that Shopify payments are active. So let's refresh again. Now as you can see, it says accepting payments, and it says can't receive payouts because we haven't attached a bank account. If we put a bank account here, then this will turn into receiving payouts. So let's take a screenshot, then we can give some good news to our customer who just got us to activate his Shopify store. So here's the guy. We're gonna attach the screenshot to him and see what he says. Let's just check his reaction and his reply, because this is the first time we are working with him, and he promised to work with us if this works out. So if this works out, that means it can work out for you too. If you want to use your own documents, that's fine. We can help you get your own documents. If you want to use my documents, this is how we do it. So let's see what he says. This is very important. You must not attach any bank that was used previously on a banned store, because automatically you will get banned. So you say, okay, yes, of course, I'll let you. Uh, he's gonna try and give us an update. So we see his update and see what he says. So here is his update. He said, perfect working, thank you. Tomorrow I'll do more. And him again, he came again and we did another one. And today he came again, we need to do another one. So that will be 3 stores. So as you have seen in the video that I used 3 documents to verify Shopify payments. One, which was my company document, proof of incorporation. 2 was UK proof of address, and 3 was my passport. So those are the 3 documents that you need. So if you have a passport, you are 1 document done. If you do not have a company, you need to register a UK company. That's easy to do. If you do it my way, you will be able to then get your proof of address in UK. You'll be able to get a government issued letter which you can use every time to activate Shopify payment. So I made a step-by-step guide to guide you through how you can do this, or how you can obtain these legal documents which you can then use to get Stripe account, Shopify payments, banks in UK. I made a step-by-step guide which you can download, and the links are in the description. If you want, you can click on those. But if you can't get a company in UK, obviously we can use my document to activate Shopify payments, just like what we did with this guy. So if you're interested, again, the links are in the description. Get in touch and we can activate Shopify payments for you. And I hope this video was very helpful, and if it was, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on how you can go around Shopify and kind of stuff.